worked with this British writer-director in About Time.
Pass.
She's a morning show producer for Harrison Ford and Her in Morning Glory.
Pass.
She appears in this Marvel Cinematic Universe movie.
Doctor Strange?
She was born in the same hospital as this future co-star of The Notebook.
Ryan Gosling.
Ryan Gosling right at the buzzer. All right, Dan, let's get the Will report.
Just for the record, Taylor, am I...
But maybe some of them aren't representative of the audience in the way that we should be. I mean, we're super representative on this show.
Holy shit. Oi! What? The actual stuff, and we got to get new sunscreen and bring down with us because apparently that shit's expensive.
Yeah. And I was thinking, I'm gonna. What? 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 Wait, how do we know? Oh, please just let him go past us. Honey. How do we know this man? I don't understand.
Scumbag.
How do we know him?
Can I help you? Can I help you? Get back in your fucking car. Get back in your car. Get back in your car. Because you're a fucking loser. Because you're a fucking loser. Because you're a fucking loser. You're a fucking loser.
It's a green light!
You're a loser.
Unfortunately, Shannon was listening to some Stevie Nicks. It's copyrighted, so I can only play a little clip of it. So you're going to see it as she gets hit right here.
Video protected.
And as you can tell, she got some pretty heavy whiplash. Her face hurts from a prior surgery that she had. Her shoulder got knocked out of joint. And look how far away he is and he gets hit.
Oh! Accident just occurred.
You know you're
Mine was left. Driver's side. Where's this guy going? What are you doing? Flamingo. Can't take over a whole friggin' intersection till the light goes green.
Oh, what an asshole. Look at this, how he's blocking everybody.
Yeah. Didn't want to wait, eh?
you know, nobody knows what the end strategy is, how they're going to get out of this situation, and they're getting really desperate now.